Look how seamless that looks. There's no tracks or anything showing. I love how it gives you that double security. 360 all the way around, so we love that. My final thoughts is that I really love this hair, and I am obsessed with this color. Like, get into it. It's very soft, and I love the parting space, how you have a lot of parting space. It goes further back, which gives you a natural hairline and natural look. Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I have some beautiful hair to share with you guys from Nadula Hair. Now, get into this unit here, you guys. I am in love with the color. This is their Auburn Reddish Brown Jerry Curly texture. This is in 20 inches long, and the lace is 7 by 5. Now, I love how it's pre-cut for you and pre-plucked. Everything is basically already done and ready to go. Now, I will tint the lace just so that it can match with my complexion, but other than that, I love everything so far. Now, this is the construction. You do get a band that you can adjust, and then you have your adjustable straps in the back with the drawstring, which give you that double security. So I love all of the security that it comes with in this unit. The hair is really soft too as well, and I love the density. It came very full. Okay, you guys, so hi, this is a different clip, but I am putting on the unit here. I did end up adjusting the straps so it can fit for my liking. And as you guys can see, this lace does melt with any skin tone. So I am going to tint the lace a little bit more for my liking. But as you guys can see, I love that it's pre-plucked already for you. You don't need to use any adhesive glue at all. The hair is super full. And I love the density, like the texture is everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this lace melting spray. Like I did say, you don't need to use any adhesive glue. I would suggest using some sort of spray like this, or even some holding spray for your liking. And then here I am using my makeup brush with a little bit of my foundation on it, which is tinting the lace and melting it down a little bit more. But using this spray is literally all that I needed. I used a little bit of this, and then after I was done applying it with my finger, I had went ahead and used the Nadula lace band just to make sure that it's laying down really good. Now the lace does lay down perfectly on its own. There's no bulging or bulkiness in that area. It does lay down flat naturally, which you guys saw. And here I am using my spray bottle with water in it. You can use a product on this hair just to intensify the curls and bring out the curls even more. I end up using a little bit of some conditioner. Now you can use mousse too as well, but I end up using a little bit of my conditioner because previously I did use mousse, but I ran out of that one. So I end up using some conditioner. This works really well on curly and wavy hair textures. It actually makes it very soft, which the hair is already soft, but it softens it up and it gives it moisture, and it makes the curls definitely stand out. So using a little bit of water and a little bit of conditioner definitely did what it needs to do. And as you guys can see, look how pretty these curls are. I really love this texture, and I love how soft the hair is. Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience. I really love the lace because it definitely saves so much time. It's very quick and easy. All you need to do is just throw it on. I did do this extra step, which is personally just something that I like to do. You don't have to do this, but I did use a little bit of my concealer just to tint the parting. Other than that, everything as far as putting the wig on was definitely a breeze. And now I am taking my blow dryer just to dry the hair, because you guys see how it looks wet, but I want you guys to see the final product with it being dry. And me personally, I love big hair, so me drying it definitely helped me get that look. And I just love how fluffy the hair came out as well. Okay, you guys, so you can see I'm really feeling myself because it's so pretty. I'm really in love with The color in the lace, when I say great, great quality, the lace is bomb. It melts right on. I didn't have to use any harsh glues. It was just perfect. Okay, a little bit of spray and ready to go. I did layer the hair just a little bit in the front for my liking. Nothing too dramatic, just a little bit of layering. And I love how it came out. It came out very even and balanced. So it definitely gave a little bit of, a little razzle dazzle to it. And then I did show you guys how you can use that drawstring in the back. All you have to do is pull, and you're basically going to feel it gather together. You're going to take that string that hangs, and you're just going to hide it underneath, tuck it in, and you're good to go. And look how seamless that looks. There's no tracks or anything showing. I love how it gives you that double security, 360 all the way around. So we love that. My final thoughts is that I really love this hair, and I am obsessed with this color. Like, get into it. It's very soft, and I love the parting space, how you have a lot of parting space. It goes further back, which gives you a natural hairline and natural look. So let me know what you guys think down below. This color and overall look is bomb for this season. Click the link in bio and purchase. You will not regret it. Thanks again for Nadula doing their big one. As always, they have amazing hair. I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah.